Today we show how to install the hotel locks on the door. Firstly, on every order we will give you a card, a paper card like this one, and you can put it to the door and drill the holes. We have all the holes for the lock. So I will use this blade to show. On the wooden door you need to drill the holes yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just according to this card. Firstly, we will install the middle part, the matrix. Before you install, you need to check the direction of it. See, this one is open to inside matrix. So put the wire in here. On the door, you will need a sharp screw to fix it onto the door. Just 2 screws, here one, here one. Now, just put here. The upper one, and the lower one. Now, this is how it is set. Make sure it's the high X one and the low X one. Use these two. And then we will put on the plate. Here. The plate we will use the two holes in the middle. And the plate we need to use the flat screw. In here, the 2 wires, the bigger one, you can see 2 different connectors. Bigger one should be the outside, so in the outside part. The smaller one is in the inner one. Secondary, we will install the cylinder. To install the cylinder, you will need this small screwdriver, or you can use your old screwdriver. Use these 2 small black screws here. Okay, let's push it like this. Make sure this point is pointing down. Now we will about to install the front panel and the back panel. So before to proceed, this is a very important part. Make sure in here there's a very small triangle mark in here. So you make sure it points to the strike plate side, that it points like this. If your bolt is on this way, make sure it points to this way. We will put the connector here. And on the back, the small connector goes here. Now the front panel, connect the big connector, the wire connect to it. And put the wire into the hole. That's why we require to make this big hole. That's why we need to make so big, because we also need to put the wires here. If there is no enough place, we have nowhere to go. Snap it. Now the back panel. In this part we will need to use the long screws. And for this model it is 4. Some models are 2. Making it straight and get to the front panel. These two to make the lock to not fall down. And now we will connect that plate case. So if it connects correctly, the lock will give us more beep. Let's try again. Okay, this sounds good. It is a power on. Now you put the battery case in here. It's part of the back panel too. So the last thing we need to do is only to drive all the screws in to fix. That's all. make sure of your dry in. There's no bricks here.